Mina ngumpho Mazibuko. Ngihamba nomama la ubusisiwe Mazibuko. Sibuye Alexandra ngokuhlala. Size la sizofuna usizo ukuthi sibone ukuthi kahle kahle yini evalile empilweni zethu.
Ngithola ubunzima nje abantu babili abafana. Abasebenzi yimi engiphushayo nje ngemali yomholo. Ngizame lapho nalapho ekuthungeni kwami kodwa ke yazi ukuthi umsebenzi loyo uvela sometimes.
Sikhona ezinye indlela esike sazama ngazo ukuthi sizame ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Manje only to find ukuthi la samba khona izinto esihlangana nazo sithola ukuthi azisebenzeli thina so sigcina singasalandeleli.
Mama, ka mo motseng o belohang ka mo teng, ka mo motseng o wa ha Mazibuko, di siblings le kae?
So 4.
Ka mahara ha motse o wa Mazibuko ke bona go na le dintwa. Go na le di conflict tse le hore di teng. Certain conflicts di khona ba very silent, certain conflicts di khona go ba le leshata le lerata le lentsi. And spirit ceremony na sere go na le ntwengwe e le gore wena o le mama Busi go na le something se le o tshepilwe ka sona ka mo family gore wena o kopanye the family le di siblings tsa gago. Spirit sere you must focus on maintaining peace all the time. Ka baka la gore nako nngwe wena le ho le wa utlwisisa o na le matla a o ira peace. Go na le gore nako nngwe o etsa peace le motho wa itseng, today o etsa peace le motho wa itseng, and so the role ya go etsa peace o feletsa o sa tlo o trusta ke bana ba heno because they also believe that you are at the center of the conflict yourself.
Njalo ekhaya siyadonsiswana since umama ehambile umama esaphila ngakhetha ukuthi ngihambe ekhaya. Ngiyangenzela ukuthi ngizoba ku peace. Yimi manje ngimphakathi nje ngokusho gogo uqinisile into esho. So funeka ngilungise lo manje ngingabe ngisazazi manje engikhathele nama ngisaye nasekhaya.
But when e re shapa mama ka baka la hore mama wa hao hamputisa a re ke go botsisa hore in the next 8 years ho lebeletse situation se le qabanyang now, would you still feel the very same thing now? Ka baka la hore you batho ba shileng go hae bana le potential ya ho bolayana, and so mama ore bolla hae o tsamaye o etse peace.
Yazi inkinga yami ukuthi umama manje lesikhathi ephila bengangifuni bengangithanda. Angikwazi ukuthi ngaya ekhaya ngiyokwenza izinto umuntu oya emsamo masifikile umfowethu ukholwa ukuthi uyena umfana and behleli nomama.
Mara batho bana ba sokola, discipline city ya sokola bana le di basic needs tsa dijo fela. Mara ntwe entle ya tšhelete e filwe wena mo matsong a hao. Mara as much as ke bolela hore matso a hao ke wona a leng blessed ka taba ya tšhelete, I see tšhelete e tsamaya, but tšhelete hao he e tsamaya because you had a lot of money mo matsogong mo ile gore no tshwara tšhelete ya slamo. Were you a treasurer of some organization? Because I see a lot of people ba tsa tšhelete ba e bya mo matsong a hao. What money was this? Ke bona batho ba bangata ba tsa tšhelete wena ba e collector and then ba e bya mo go wena, but tšhelete e gona le 20 rands e tsana mo matsong a hao e le gore it is not supposed to kena mo matsong a hao, and by the time if fitla mo wena you are starting to have a ringing sound in your ear. A ringing sound in your ear, it's amaisana le a pain here, just ka morao ga tsebe and then towards mo le headling la hao. And that is why hanti o tla go tsama ba re gona le arthritis, gona le something. What was this group ene o fa tšhelete no collector tšhelete mo go yona?
Engiyaziyo ukuthi ngoba ngiyathunga abantu bayilethe imali.
Because ke bona tšhelete e tswa mo somebody from the community and then e go affecta gona ka mogwe ke bolelang ka teng because ke ntwe le rene e tshwantse e go bakele stroke. Tšhelete e ke bolelang ka yona e tswa ko mme o a rekisang acha. o be very careful mami ka baka la tšhelete ke energy wena o nthekisetsa something na ge ke fa wena ko fa ke sa thaba ne ke eng ntho yo connectang le batho ba ko Venda
Yes.
azanka wa ba le ngwana le motho a tswang Venda
Nokuzwana nje nomuntu waseVenda.
okay because hona le ntate o mongwe wa ntlhagella o re o jumpa noka ene noka ya njelele mo Venda ene o nyaka madi a hae ene o re ko botsise gore madi a rona a kae
Ngoba abantwana nginabo lo ngibuya naye ekhaya eNatal lo omncane lo umXhosa manje futhi angikhumbuli ngizwana nomuntu omvenda mhlambe ke wayebize ngendlela ngelinye isibongo kanti yena naye mhlambe umvenda ngikhumbuli
all right taba ya thipa o ka re o ka itlogela story sa hao sa thipa he se felela ko wena o itlhabang ka yona and o ipolaya ka yona Abitimpo, what do you do for a living?
No,
So, honale a thing, it's also affecting you here. Ke bona ngwana o nang le ena, but then ngwana o na le taba ya gore you don't agree gore ngwana o kwa hao. O phihile ngwana? Azanga bo bolela ka ngwana wa ngwanyana. Because I'm picking up the spirit sa ngwana o gore ngwana o teng and ngwana o tlhaha alla a re wena o mo phihile but selo sa ngwana o a se ona ntho e ke ya rabelang ke arabela badimo ba ba tswang ha bongwanyana o ene ba re ke bona batho ba ile gore ba go bofa matso mo ile ha ona ntho e ntle o tlo e tshwarang up until re fitisa taba ya ngwana o ka baka la gore ngwana o kwa tswang ko teng ke batho ba ile gore ba tlhompheha
o phila
ayo mo tseba okay there is a tree e ile gore o tshwanetse wa iletswa moletlo mo teng and o tshwanetse o iletse ke batho ba ha bontate wa hao and moletlo o he ba o eletsa mo teng mo the tree ya teng e tlhagella monna e se flag ke tree ya morula e marula tree mo ile gore o tshwanetse wa fiseletswa something mo teng gore e ntshe moya o wa tronko ke ntho ile gore e teng ha bontate wa hao. It's not the first time e tsagala ka wena but motho o a khonang go sort out ke an auntie o ile go ona le bana ba banyana fela and wa itse gore ke moloko o etsagalang bashimane but yet is a person that we need to ask re mo kope diligently so honestly so gore a khone go weletsa ntwe e mo ile gore ya fisiwa this tree and then about khathela di stems starting and then lo ena mo o dula mo teng wa ifisetsa mo teng gore o khone go kopana le badimo ba taba ya thipa mo go wena o ka re o ka itlogela because it's something that you go so quickly to o ka re o ka itlogela ka baka la gore thipa e wena o itshwereng for the very first time ke thipa e le gore ne e berekilwe I see somebody a tshwere thipa e aya ka yona ko thabeng a itshisa and a thola something se ile gore motho o ithuseditse mo teng wa monna motho ona ka thipa e o tlhaba ona mampho ao and then they bend the knife and by kolomaka and they give it to you ke ma motho mathomo o fa thipa e o tshwarisa yona ka mahara letso khale o le zoro
bamhlaba naye
ntho le botlhoko ko gore story sa hao sa thipa he se felela ko wena o itlhabang ka yona and o ipolaya ka yona Ka baka la hore right now o fela pelo. And you believe hore mama o owe something. You believe hore everybody owes you something.
Mina uthi ngimkweleda ukuthi ngimuse kubo.
Why wena abuto ho iphandela o saye kwa mama o director nkuteng?
Nangithi ekhaya kubo asisazi ukuthi kukuphi. Elezi Smith. So ngibazama abantu ngithola abantu besilahlekelana ama-phone number. Manje ngangithi akazami ikhumbule ekhaya.
Why lena le tswa KZN mara ngwana lebitso la hae le Mpho?
Ngangithi umpostoli. Ngisefika lapha kwaba uMpho.
Mama?
Ngangithi umpostoli igama lakhe ngimbiza ngomkhulu. Obuyi.
All right. Mama tsamo mo phahlela ngwana o mo phahlele ko Sekankeng ka dikerese tse 7. Re khopela batho ba ha bontate wa ngwana o ba locate ngwana o. Ka baka la hore moya o nyaka ngwana o le ena ntho e etsa hore le ena ba tle ntate wa hae e teng ene ya phela ne badimo ba tla bula because the rage ya ngwana o a se a hae anoshi. Is also the rage ya batho ba ha bontate wa hae ba ile hore ba mmatla le bona ene e tlo utlwisa wena botlhoko.
Angikhumbuli ngizwana nomvenda njoba ngila eGoli. Yena umntwana engibe naye uMkhosa ngaphandle kwaMpho ngibuya naye ekhaya eNatal.
Yazi le umntwana ngiyaqala ukuyizwa yabo. Nami yangimangaza mhlawumbe ukhona bona abazifihlile abazange bangitshela so bagcina sekuthi sekuvela izinto ezinjalo. Nayo leyo mmese leyana ngiyizwile yabo angifuni ukugcila kuyo kakhulu but inkinga yommese yona ngiyayazi yabo. Engithusile ukuthi ukwazile ukupick up something ngayo sister yabo.
Mamhla re hlakane le motswadi a tsamang le ngwana wa hae. Ona le mogala jo a tswa re ke tswa Venda ke na le madi ka mara ha motse wo ke nyakana le ngwana wa ka baka la re madi a rena ha tsene a shabalala le pleke ka moka jwale he re kwa sello sa Mpho o re ke nyaka mma a nkishe haesho mma o re yena a sanka a tlhakana le batho ba o tswa Venda bana ba hae o ba khumane at a certain place Marakamo le moya o re ngwana rena wa Venda re sa monyaka ka mogwa re llelang le rena re a mollela mma o re ngwana o petribile a ye di televisioneng a tsamailo nyaka papai ka baka la rena ona ntweng ka mothusang ka yona ene motho ha tle mo dilong tsa semoya o tshwanetse be le hore o itherolotse o ready ho bolela nnete ka baka la re ntwe e kosha motlhoko gore ngwana wo o tsena ditoronkong ka baka la thiba ene thiba ye one day o tlo tlhaba mmahae le ena itlhaba ka yona.
Ukwateleni kangaka?
Guys, punctuality. I can't be awake from nako ekisukile nka ena kitutla and then you guys pitch up ka 1 o'clock.
But you see, it's a production. Nabanye abantu abafana nawe. But do you understand where olulaka unalo ngavale into zakho?
No, it
and the energy yakho yabona I'm just hoping it's not going to affect our reading. Masingene kwa module. Let's have our reading.
Okay.
Ngizocela ke ukunikeza iBhayibhile. Uzovula kayi1 ukhombe awufunde lana unikeze sizangena ezindabeni zakho. I hope I haven't lost it, eh? It's this side, Mas.
This side.
I am connecting to a departed young woman who passed away either pregnant or the child, the baby, passed too.
My sister lost the child that was 3 to 4 years back. Yeah, she miscarried.
Okay.
And I had an ectopic pregnancy last year.
So, Deuteronomy chapter 10. tablets like the first ones. At the time, the Lord said to me, chisel out 2 stone tablets like the first ones and come up to me on the mountain. Also make a wooden chest. I will write on the tablets the words that were on the first tablets, which you broke. Then you are to put them in the chest. Tablets like the first ones. 2 tablets. The 2 spirits of the 2 babies that came through. Nizawuphinda nimithe nosista wakho back to back. Because we are chiseling out those 2 tablets. I am not sure how much pain your ectopic pregnancy has caused or how much weight it has had on you. But abantu abadala will never intentionally want to replace something unless they feel or see the gap for it. So siyaphinda apa, we are so abantu abadala, they're trying to replace, although the acknowledgement is akusoze kufane. His life is in danger. I wouldn't be surprised if he dies today. Who's our fellow Stradwen? There is a young man, Ezama Ungena. And I'm connecting to accidental death. And I keep hearing the words Boza or Bova, but I'm seeing the BHO as a street name.
I only have a friend with the street name. It's Bololo. We call him Bololo because his name is Banele.
Well, before I could even say, but I'm connecting more to a friend because it's not someone in your family. He's still alive, Bololo. His life is in danger.
That I can't believe because I think cops were looking for him. It had to do with something like he had a fight with people, so someone died dead. So I don't know if it's police looking after him or people.
And the reason why ndiphakanyiselwe a street name rather than real name, ukubonakalisa indlela aphila ngayo. Who's our fellow Stradwen? I wouldn't be surprised if he dies today. Because ukukufa kwakhe is this close. The energy yakhe reads as the afterlife already. Uba kuyatshiwo emntwini ba rest in peace in advance. Yabona yena uBololo. I rest in peace kuye in advance. Ndiyazi ke noba unayo na eminye imibuzo mhlawumbe ufuna uyibuza ndikucacisele or right.
I wanted to get closure.
Okay.
Regarding my late spouse. Like I wanted to get closure.
Late boss?
To spouse.
Oh, spouse.
As to what happened.
I guess finish the vule and see if we won't be guided. Nehemiah chapter 2, and you pointed at verse 7. I also said to him, if it pleases the king, may I have letters to the governors of Trans-Euphrates, so that they will provide me safe conduct until I arrive in Judah. And may I have a letter to Asaph, keeper of the king's forest, so he will give me timber to make beams for the gates of the citadel by the temple, and for the city wall, and for the residence I will occupy. It is like, okay, it's not, I don't think he will open up as to what happened. Who's Debo?
Oh, he had a harem of friends.
Had a lot of friends. Because the only thing that I'm getting from him is that Debo knows the truth. He took his own life.
No, he just fell sick. Like, because in my mind, we all suspect poison. Like he was poisoned because he was in the taxi industry.
He was not poisoned. If there were traces of poison found, it was self-inflicted. Because now the energy that he's coming through with is a lot of guilt, and hence Utebucho knows the truth, because Utebucho comes through as a person that ebeteta a confidant.
Because he had ulcers, and he just said he ate chilies.
Why would you eat chilies?
Like the first question was, where did you get it? Because we don't even have it at home. Because I was here. And he just said, Ish, hasn't discussed Papa. I'm going to the doctor. I'll let you know when I'm back. And that was the last time I spoke to him.
But one thing I can confirm, and confidently so, is the energy of guilt coming in from him, and that's self-inflicted.
The question the brother asked me was like, Makoti, like, I want to know who to udle.
And the abantu bakwi taxi industry bayatya naserengini.
Yeah, but yeah. But
plate erengini, so
he was, because he was in the office. He was not there. He was the office in.
But ke masiyithatha ukuba it's protection, because ke better ezinye izinto ungazazi than uzazi. Because if you know too much, you might also just be in danger.
Yeah, that I thought so as well.
No. The less you know, the better. It's a matter of accepting Goku. He's gone. Whatever way ahambe ngayo engaqondakaliyo sekunjalo.
Also, Lady and I, we spoke about my late spouse. It's just uncertain that we couldn't get to closure on what's ahead, because a lot has happened. A lot has happened. It has not to such an extent that I suspect a lot of people who are in his death.
Namhlanje i-reading kaBoitumelo isifundisa okanye ke sibonisa ukuthi ngamanye amaxesha uyakwazi ukuxuthwa into iphinde ibuyiswe okanye kube wosulwa inyembezi. Lonto ke iyavela ke ngokulahlekelwa kwesisu ke nguBoitumelo nalapho ke bebonakalisa kamanyanga akho kuba ke bawuphinda bamphe umntwana bemosula inyembezi. Ubonakalisa ke naxa ndingena ke kumyeni wakhe ukuba ngamanye amaxesha ke noba siyasola ukuthi abo sibathandayo babulewe okanye ke bamke ngendlela ezingaqondakaliyo, kubalulekile ke sifunde ukuyekelela okanye ezinye izinto ke singaziphandi, sikhusela thina nofunda ke uphinda siqale ubomi phansi xa imeko ke zitshutshisa zisitsho.